So here it is, Soyannaise. Today I'm going to be making the delicious vegan style Soyannaise. So here's the milk warming up nicely, and here's me adding the olive oil with some salt. Then to the olive milk, add a dessert spoon of white wine vinegar. I'm adding a tablespoon of flaxseed, crushed garlic, Dijon mustard, and I'm going to whisk it all. So here is my mixed Soyannaise. I didn't have any Dijon mustard, so I used another kind of mustard with pepper in it. So here it is, Soyannaise. As you can see, it's a play on mayonnaise, but it's Soyannaise without the milk. Do whatever you would normally do with your mayonnaise. You dip it in your chips, put it on your salad. I mix it up in pasta sometimes. It's lovely warm, but put it to cool, and then it will last for 1 week in the fridge. It's absolutely delicious. Soyannaise. Don't need to go to the shop and buy expensive stuff. We made it here.